Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. I have another question for you today, and my question to you today is: are you clear on your financial freedom number? Are you clear on what amount you need to bring in each month for you to feel financially free? That means that you first need to get really clear on what is important to you in life. What is your definition of success that I talked about in the other video the other day. And then determining what amount do you minimally need each month to be able to live the way that you want to live. To be able to do all the things you want to do without worrying, without stressing about money, so that you can take really good care of yourself and your loved ones and do everything in your life or your business that you want to do. So what is that number? What is your financial freedom number? The number that you need to earn or that you need to bring in each month for you to feel financially free. For you to not have any money worries ever again, for you to be able to enjoy life to the fullest, for you to be able to treat yourself to great things whenever you feel called, for you to just feel free in everything that you do. And it's very important that you get clear on that financial number, because that will be your first professional goal. The first thing to work towards, so that you can leave all the money worries and the money stress behind and have this comfortable life that is already giving you everything you need to feel financial free. So that is why today my question to you is: are you clear on your financial freedom number? I would love it if you would share your financial freedom number with me below this video, and if you would share all your questions, thoughts or insights around this topic, so that we can have a really great chat about it. If you're catching this on YouTube, I would also love it if you would subscribe to my channel so you will never miss another video again. And for today, there's nothing left for me to just wish you an amazingly wonderful day today, and I'll talk to you again real soon.